In front of me is Motorola Moto G15, and today I would like to show you how you can apply iOS launcher on this device. All you need to do is tap on Play Store and download free app called LauncherOS from Launcher Studio. When it's ready, go into Devices Settings, scroll down to tap on Apps, select the default apps and tap on Home app to apply Launcher Pro by clicking on it. Then select Allow All and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my launcher was successfully applied. If you want to make some changes to it, go into Launcher app. If you wish to go back to your default launcher, you can always access the same settings and tap on Moto App Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!